Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid by the Deriv affiliate program. If you are a forex trader or an affiliate marketer looking to start earning from the Deriv affiliate program, then you are in the right video, because I myself is earning a lot of money from the Deriv affiliate program, and I'm going to show you how you can start earning as well in this particular video. As you can see, I am logged in into my Deriv affiliate account, and this is the page where you check for commission report. I'm going to finances and then click on commission report so that I can show you how much I've made from the Deriv affiliate program. So this month alone, as you can see, the result is filtered by this month. This month alone, I've earned over $4,000. This is almost $5,000 from the Deriv affiliate program just only this month. So if you are looking to start earning as a Deriv affiliate partner or from the Deriv affiliate program, I will advise you to stick around in this video, because I'm going to show you step by step everything you need to do to get started earning just like me. So having said that, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up as Deriv affiliate partner. Now, if you have already created an account as a trader, it's quite different from the account that you use to promote Deriv as their affiliate partner. You need to create a separate partner account so that you can start earning as a Deriv affiliate partner. So I'm going to log out of my own account so that I can show you how you can sign up and start earning as Deriv affiliate partner. So the first thing you need to do is to click on a link that you find in the description of this video. So if you are watching this video, just click on look for this site called description, and you'll find a link that is titled sign up for Deriv affiliate program. You then click on it like this, and it will take you to the Deriv affiliate sign up page. So I will be taken to the sign up page. So once you click on the link in the description below, somehow you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. Then the next thing for you to do is to sign up. So you have two different options. One is individual account, the other one is company account. So if you are an individual looking to get Deriv affiliate link or Deriv referral link and use it to send to someone you are teaching how to trade, or use it to just promote Deriv, then you need to go for individual. But if you are a group of individuals, that is a company that want to create a Deriv affiliate partnership account, so that different people, you have a marketer, you have people working for you that can log into the dashboard, that can help you manage it or look at the metrics, then you need to go for company account. Me personally, I'm using individual account, and if you know you are not a company, I will advise you to go for that. So I will leave it at individual. So I will also fill my name. After everything, check that you have read the terms and conditions and verify the robot capture, and after that click on this register now button, and you will submit your application to become Deriv affiliate partner. Now it's going to take like 24 hours before they can approve your account, so don't panic in case after signing up you are not able to log into your account. So you give them some time. After they approve the account, they are going to reach out to you through email, and you can then move on to log into your account. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to walk you through the Deriv affiliate dashboard and how you can get your Deriv referral link and start promoting it. So see you on the next part of this video. So after signing up as a Deriv affiliate partner and they approve your account, maybe they reach out to you through email address that your account has been approved successfully, the next thing for you to do is to log in. Also, after waiting for like 24 hours and you have not got an email from them, you can still come ahead and try logging in to see if they have approved your account. So for you to check if they have approved your account, just go to their login page, which is what I am on right now. So I'm going to log in. I will leave a link to this login page in the description of this video as well. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So I'm just going to enter my login details right now and try to log into my Deriv affiliate account dashboard, and as you can see, this is my Deriv affiliate account dashboard. Now for clarity, if you notice, this dashboard is different from the one I showed you in the beginning of this video. That is because Deriv is migrating from their old dashboard to a new one, and when you sign up as a new affiliate partner, they are going to give you this new dashboard. And I myself also created accounts on this new dashboard. So even online, if the tutorial you're seeing online is different from what you are experiencing inside your dashboard, just take care, because it's unfortunate that if it's migrating from their old dashboard to the new one, and I hope that with time there's going to be a lot of tutorial on how to use this new dashboard. So I myself created this account for the new dashboard recently, and as you can see, I've just got only 2 registration. In my old dashboard, which I showed you in the beginning of this video, I have up to 1,600 customers, that is clients, that is registration that I've done on Deriv. But on this new dashboard, I've got just 2. So in your case, when you log in and your account has been approved, you are going to be brought to a page that looks like this. Now as you can see, this is the report of my performance this month. I've just registered only 2 people, and I've not earned any commission, and I've had only 23 link clicks. So that is the snapshot of what is on the dashboard. You can also filter the report by a month. If I want to check for my performance in the month of February, I will toggle this on February. For any month, I will just toggle put the button on the month and then click on apply. So I'll leave it at March, and the next thing is to show you how you can copy your Deriv affiliate link. To do that, you have to click on this hamburger menu at the top right corner, and as you can see, you have different menu buttons. You have my referral link and then partner area. Because I want to show you how you can get your Deriv affiliate link, we'll go to my referral links. So after loading, you'll be brought to this page. Now when you come here, you have 3 different referral link. One is revenue share link, second is turnover, and the last is master partner. So if you want to promote Deriv, you can promote Deriv to traders. That means people that have not created Deriv account before. If you want to invite them to start trading on Deriv, you can share either your revenue share link or turnover link, and to copy it, you will just scroll sideways and click here, and you will see the option to copy it. Now also, if you prefer turnover, you can still copy it and send it to your clients so they can sign up and start trading. These 2 links are the same, just that the pattern or the commission plan for them is different. The way Deriv pay you when your clients sign up with your revenue share link is different from the way they pay you. You can go to their website and do further research. But if you are looking to promote Deriv to new forex trader or new synthetic indices trader, you just copy either of this link and send to them so that they can start trading, sign up with it and start trading. And I've shown you that for you to copy the link, you just click on this menu button and click on copy link. If you want to copy the turnover link, you click on it like this as well and copy the link. Now the last one is the one that is different. It's called master partner. So when you sign up as Deriv affiliate partner, you can still refer other existing forex trader or Deriv trader to become their partner and also get rewarded and also get paid. So that is the last one. If you have your friend that is already a trader that is already trading with Deriv and you want them to start earning as well as a Deriv partner, you can still refer them to become Deriv affiliate partner, and you simply just copy this link and send to them, and when they click on it, they will be taken to the Deriv affiliate account sign up page, and when they sign up, they will also be able to refer traders to come and trade on Deriv. So that is all about my referral link page on Deriv. So let's move to other pages, which is partners area. As you can see, you can check for commission plan, marketing material, my client, my partner, client activities, and my reports. I'm not going to waste much time. I'm not going to go further explaining all of these things, because I'm going to create a separate video explaining how to navigate the Deriv affiliate dashboard. So if you want to learn what each of these menu buttons are and how to navigate the Deriv affiliate dashboard, you can subscribe and watch out for the video, so that when I drop it, you'll be the first to know. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out every other of our video. I have a lot of video on this YouTube channel about the Deriv affiliate program, and I know it's best you learn from me. Thank you, and bye for now.